Pupunta tayo guys ngayon sa Manchester. Magte-train lang kami ni Mr. Kasi sabi ko nga hindi pa kami nakapunta ng Manchester ng train, laging car. And then nag-worry kami kasi baka walang parking sa Manchester. Nasagot ang baby. Hello. Sana may makitang parking space si Mr. Kasi parang puno. Wala kaming mahanap na bakante. Ewan ko guys kung naririnig nyo ako. Pero wala kasi akong suot-suot na mic nga ngayon. Oh, it's so fast!
Because it's going straight through.
Since I was so shocked, I did not able to take a video. I got so scared. Blackpool. Blackpool. I think so. Blackpool is the last stop.
Not too bad, Preston.
Thank you. You have to sit down. Okay. Can we sit here? It's not for...
Welcome aboard this Northern Service to Manchester Airport. The next station stop is Buckshaw Parkway.
Dito na kami guys sa Manchester Christmas Market. How do they call it? Christmas Market?
That's not the Christmas market.
Well, how did they call it?
Christmas market.
Christmas Market. It's so cold and lamig.
They're waiting for green light.
This is nice here. Sobrang ganda ng kanilang building. Very unique talaga. Very European and British. There?
We'll walk up here and we can go the other way.
Which stop? Which stop? There?
End of here, yeah.
The end? I got small tripod. Is she okay? Look at the nosy. It's gone red. She's fine. Keep saying she's fine, she's fine. That's what you thought, she's fine, but she's cold. So you have to cover her head properly also.
For whatever reason, while we're walking, the top works up.
Where are we going now? Oh, they have pram here? Tram. Tram. Pram. May tram pala dito, parang sa Hong Kong din, oh. Sa Hong Kong lang ako naka-experience ng ganyan. Tram. Tram pala, tram.
So, only even turn left.
Okay.
You can go.
Yeah. Smells of food. So nandito na daw kami guys, part of to na ang Christmas market ng Manchester. Is that far? Part pa lang to.
10 minutes.
10 minutes walk. It's pretty crowded. But smells of fried chicken. Smells of food.
So much grief behind you.
I mean, okay, it's
What are these? Huh? And this one? Fresh cannoli. What is this? Huh?
Take a look.
Oh, decorations. They're nice. Ay, ang cute. Ceramic. Parang ganito naka-zoom. They're nice. Cute. With numbers. Ang ganda. All decorations are 15 pound. 15 pound pala ang isa. Maambon na, guys. My gosh, it's raining na. Which shop are we walking through?
The Under Center.
Ang lamig na, naambon pa. We should take umbrella, but your umbrella is so long.
Oh, look at that.
There. Hi, it's raining. Ito pa guys, part pa to ng Manchester Market. Too many people, okay?
Which one?
I'm not that cold because this is quite thick on my neck. What is this? No sugar?
Kind of old chocolate.
So tapos na kaming kumain guys. McDonald's lang kami kumain. And then punta kami sa pinaka-main ng Christmas market. It's so cold. Ah, I cannot see. Yan daw ang market, guys. Ang daming tao, shucks. Ah, wood carving.
See one of these right here.
The bird?
Garden.
No, robin. They're nice. How giraffe?
Boston Street, they will not walk out the same person. And every seed that is sown will be watered.
Another market?
This is the proper market.
The open area?
The others are just little ones. This is the main one.
Oh, okay. Ito pala guys, ang main. So, dito pa lang pala yun. Akala ko kanina pa tayo doon. Ang dami namang tao. Dahil hindi siya Filipino food, guys. Parang hindi ako natatakam sa mga pagkain nila. Empanadas. Ayun, meron silang empanadas. Bars. I think that's what I saw on the ladies' bag. Mug. Christmas mugs.
Yeah.
What is it? Junk.
Drunken monk.
Drunken monk. Cheese. More cheese to. Cheese. Ooh. 15 pound set. Look at this. Yeah. Candies again. Sweet. I think I want to try one.
Want to try one?
I think so because I kept
Cappuccino
seeing
with
it.
coffee? You might like that one.
After 8. That's after 8. The chocolate that we have at home.
Yeah, you want to try?
Oh, I want to try others. What about this one, zebra? What do you think, Ferrero? Maybe zebra. Thank you. Zebra? Zebra. It's zebra. Let's try this. Kanina ko pa kasi nakikita to. So parang matakam na lang ako bigla. What's inside?
Cake or marshmallow.
Tastes like a cream. Parang cream lang.
Yeah, it's marshmallow.
Try it.
You've got some.
Uwian na tayo, guys. Kagala na.
We want to be on the other side, but there's lots of people over there, so we're staying over here. We can cross later.
Mukha siyang ano, airport.
Need a big board.
Look like airport. Manchester.
This is
Big
I
station.
got off.
Aray ko. I think around there. Right at the end. Yeah. Sana may laki ng station. Aray ko. I think around there. Right at the end. I saw a 13, 14 there, oh. 10, 13, and 14. Have you seen it? This is 13, 14 also.
Yeah, because access is.
And it's big, isn't it? Ang laki ng ano nila, station. So where are we going now?
The train comes to a complete stop and allow your fellow passengers to exit safely before you move forward to board.
Oh, it's pretty empty.
The slightly delayed 17:30 finish normally gets service to Blackpool North, Wybolton and Preston.
Dito tayo guys ngayon sa Morrison naman. Ang ganda ng kanilang tulips, oh. Tulips ba yun? So, kumuha tayo ng isang poinsettia. So, ito. Nandito ang cookies. Ito ang cookies. Type of Belgian. 1 cookies. Hindi kami guys masyadong nagtagal sa Manchester because it's so crowded and busy. Wala ng fish. Ano na lang. Next na pagpunta na lang. Wala. Late na kasi. Parang 7 pa lang naman pero wala na silang fish. Meat? Bone? Bones? Na, where is the bones? Make sure there's a bone. Meatballs, not meat bones. I thought you said meat bones. Boses. Ipang sisinigang ko lang tong pork na to guys bukas. Kasi nga, para hindi masayang yung aking kangkong na binili sa Asian store. 1 week na yun eh. Pero okay pa naman. Sinek ko kahapon. Asa na kaya si Mr. Wala na naman sa aking likod. Puntahan ko nga muna. That is mixed cheese. What is that with the black?
It's blue cheese.
What is it? It's look like molds.
It is.
It is mold? Ew.
No, it's done with copper wire, but it tastes very, very sharp. And it's a taste you either like or you don't.
Yeah, we need an extension for the TV.
Use the wrong card.
It says approved.
Yeah, I used the wrong card. I used my bank card instead of my credit card.
Hello guys. Tulog ang aming baby. Hello guys. Hello, we're home. And she is awake. Where is our sleeper? Sakit na pa ako. Aray ko. Naputol pa kasi ako ng kuko bago umalis. Ang sakit tuloy. Parang nadali yung aking laman. You gonna cook now for our dinner? Hello! We're home! We're home, we're home. Where's the shopping? Still in the car?
You're not interested in the shopping.
No, I'm interested in the pork. You have to put it in the fridge. I'm gonna cook it tomorrow. Hello, pretty girl. How are you? Bili tayo guys ng Conceptia. Kasi sabi ni Mr. hindi naman daw yan mamamatay after Pasko. Basta alagaan lang. So, di bumili tayo. And I got a case. 2.30, isn't it? Nagkalkal pa ako. Kaya ang case sa Amazon. I like this. Purple. Can I have Caesar, please? Mahal yung Conceptia. $3.75. Kaya lang pinapakuha ni Mr. Ayaw ko pa.
What am I going to do? I'll go and do this.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know. I saw the little tack.
I cut lips.
You got the leaf.
Oh my goodness. Nagupitan. Ala, oh. They're not nice under. They gonna fit in my white pots. Pangit na itong. Alisin natin.